getting back on growth track post-COVID reopening. COVID-19's impact is expected to continue for a few years from now on the global economy. In the midst of the gloomy economic scenario, companies are looking at reviving and planning to protect their business, protecting their employees and retaining their customers. As the crisis continues to topple lives and livelihood, companies are struggling to understand its full impact on their businesses and how best to respond. Many businesses are taking impulse decisions and seem to be transmitting and expanding spend toward emerging opportunities. Three horizons for effective marketing and sales responses to the COVID-19 crisis. These are the times when the thin line between marketing and sales is expected to shift its position. Together, they need to co-create an operations plan for the recovery, while traversing through the crisis and replanning to lead business through the new normal. McKinsey suggests on the second horizon and how companies can accelerate what they do and how they work to capture revenue quickly for the recovery. Their thoughts are depicted here. Their report talks about element of speed and agility, which in particular is crucial because this once-in-a-generation challenge is likely to have a profound impact on who is left standing when the crisis finally abates. With an ongoing downturn and many businesses laying off their manpower and reducing salaries, purchasing power and consumer spend is expected to go down, thereby reduced sale of expensive products, resulting in big changes at both the high and low ends of the market. McKinsey's research talks about brands repositioning themselves and shifting to digital channels, products, and services, opening up another front in the battle for new and existing customers. They further forecast that it's not enough to capture revenue, it has to happen quickly. They further talk about first movers reaping significant rewards. Navigate the now includes lead with purpose, take care of employees and customers, build up cash reserves, plan for the recovery, accelerate digital ambition and analytics engines, be ready to capture early demand, rapid revenue recovery. Load in the next normal. Rethink ecosystems. Virtualization. Enable rapid revenue recovery. Leaders approaching the business with innovative and futuristic plans in the new normal are expected to scale newer heights. McKinsey talks about a mental model built around SHAPE, an approach with 5 core elements: startup mindset, human at the core, accelerate digital, tech, and analytics, purpose-driven customer playbook and ecosystems to drive adaptability. Startup mindset. The startup mindset prefers action over research and testing over analysis. Immediate requirement is to act and react to the consumer needs and demands. Next is to ensure that the offered product or service is tested to meet the consumer needs. While research, improvisation and analysis could wait for the market to stabilize. Human at the core. To drive rapid action, companies will need to rethink their operating model, building it around how their people work best. As per McKinsey, many businesses find new remote sales model to be of equal or greater effectiveness than the old one. Enabling people will clearly require a new set of skills and capabilities, from facility with tech to working remotely. Accelerate digital, tech, and analytics. COVID crisis has become an inflection point in the shift to digital, but the best companies are moving quickly to enhance and expand their digital channels. They are successfully using advanced analytics to combine new and innovative sources of data with their own insights to derive recovery signals. Purpose-driven customer playbook. Putting customers at the center of the business is a long-established principle, but post-coronavirus businesses will need a deep recalibration of how customers make decisions. Companies will need to rethink decision journeys to understand what customers now value and design new use cases and customer experiences based on those insights. That means a more nuanced approach to segmenting customers. Ecosystems to drive adaptability. The disruptions in supply chains and offline buying channels have made adaptability crucial, not just to survival but to accessing opportunities quickly. In the short term, adaptability may mean how companies work with agencies and partners, but in the long term, it will require new partnerships and non-traditional collaborations, including strategic M&A. Three steps to get started on rapid revenue recovery. Capturing revenue rapidly requires taking a combination of actions. McKinsey researchers suggested that top performers will focus on these three steps with rigor and discipline. Identify and prioritize. Commercial leaders will need to plan for recovery based on a clear understanding of their starting point and insights into demand patterns ahead of and during the recovery. This is crucial for knowing what to do and when. Act with urgency. Once there is a granular map of prioritized activities, companies need to quickly and decisively reallocate resources accordingly to capture growth. The focus should be on launching the biggest and readiest initiatives, whether by adjusting sales coverage models, tailoring product features to specific customer use cases, or shifting marketing spend to high-performing channels. The necessity of acting with urgency has allowed businesses to accomplish incredible things in short periods of time that would have seemed impossible just 6 months earlier. develop a rapid-fire, agile operating model. One important way to speed up decision-making is to give agile teams highly focused tasks and clear key performance indicators, KPIs, such as click-throughs or open rates. Instead of waiting for approvals and input, these agile squads, which should include agency partners, have the ability to make their own decisions. Rapid revenue recovery is based on taking a core set of commercial actions. Rapid revenue recovery is based on taking a core set of commercial actions, strategy, digital channels, productivity, customer experience and insights. Strategy includes brand repositioning, mergers and acquisitions moves, networked ecosystems and clean sheet demand planning. Digital channels includes scaled digital sales and services, e-commerce, digital marketing effectiveness. Productivity includes marketing efficiency, sales productivity, inside sales, data-driven performance management. Consumer experience and insights includes customer experience, customer journeys, personalization, loyalty and CRM. Product value propositions. Analytics-driven sales. Dynamic pricing and promotion optimization. Prioritized measures for rapid revenue recovery. With time to impact on x-axis moving from slow to fast and EBIT impact on y-axis moving from low to high. Quadrant with high EBIT impact but low time impact indicates structural shifts, while quadrant with high EBIT impact and high time impact indicates high impact moves. An agile squad model can raise a company's metabolic rate. An agile squad model includes consumer and insights squad, marketing cash liberation squad, growth squad, digital marketing and sales squad and post-COVID-19 growth squad. Consumer and Insights Squad includes central hub for monitoring changes in consumer sentiment behavior, market and regulations, feeds information to other squads and enables quick response to market changes. Marketing Cash Liberation Squad includes prioritized immediate review of cost base and budget, contributes to company stability and other marketing efforts. Example: communications. Growth Squad shares in market learnings hub, identifies and prioritizes sales green shoots, optimizes channel management. Example: actions to be taken with offline retailers, inventory or stock management. Digital Market and Sales Squad adapts current digital M&S activities to new reality. Example, digital marketing, builds evolves digital selling platforms, D2C or through partners. Post-COVID-19 Growth Squad develops clear plan for next normal, balances resourcing with short-term squad.